Okay, let's go shopping. A lot of you guys have asked me to go with you in the market. Okay, like show you when I go grocery shopping. So today is the day I'm going to be doing my first shopping of this year. I always do it with my husband because I have no car. So, and the market is like far away from where we stay, and I prefer to go in that market because it's not as expensive. Yeah, that's me. And in my uniform, because you cannot go in a Ugandan market in your flip-flops. Okay? It's kind of messy there. As you can see, this country is the Pearl of Africa, and I promise you it's much more beautiful than these potholes. It's better. I just happened to film going to the market at this particular point, but whoever is in charge, please work on this. Anyways, this is all the money we have. Let's see what it gets us. Okay, so when you reach the market in Nakawa, there are these guys who are like always there to help you maybe keep an eye on your car or help you go in the market and carry all the things that you're going to be buying. So this is the guy that we usually use. He's always there on Sundays. I think maybe other days, but whenever we go there, he's there. So he was like, oh my God, the baskets are so cute. And he was trying to sing for me. So anyways, we start the market on the top. I have some of the people that I already buy from. But guys, you need a shopping list, okay? Because I'm going to be going around buying things that are on my shopping list, and I promise you, you need a shopping list. In case you do not know, I sell meal plans, and in that meal plan, there is a shopping list that is going to guide you buy the right things. And yeah, here I'm trying to get some pineapples. And how do you know a ripe pineapple? By tapping on it. If it's making a lot of noise, it's not ripe. If it's not making a lot of noise, like this one, it's ripe. You take that one. Yes. And watermelons, the same. Those ones I have not yet, learned the whole art. Sometimes I go home and it's actually a mess when I was the one who was selecting them. But nowadays I let the guys select. So I buy some of the fruits and making sure that I buy from every category on my list. Here is the bad boy. The plantains in this country, we need an explanation as the national people. Why are these guys so expensive? And my husband is like a diehard of plantains. He'd rather not have any other thing. So that's why we are actually buying them. If it were just me, I would never. How do I buy how many plantains for 5,000 or 10,000? Man, impossible. 3 tomatoes for 1,000. So of course it's much better than this side, so I have to buy and stock up. Getting back, I get some fresh legumes. I usually do dry beans. I'm going to buy the other side, but here I'm going to be buying some fresh peas to put in my vegetable rice, to make some pasted peas, to put in some ghee stew, and nunira, if you know that one. And wherever I buy, whichever stall I buy from, I make sure to ask that person to add me something small and nyongeza, yeah, because I'm a very kind customer, so you have to treat me nicely. Alternatively, I will not buy from you next week. Okay, anyways, get some oranges. I was moving all over the market, and these guys are not like in one position, in one station. So you're going to find someone selling potatoes here, another one selling tomatoes here. So if they have the right tomatoes or the right product you're looking for, you buy from them. So there's no particular order. And making sure that the Irish I take home are not germinating, because that way I don't keep them so long, and I don't want to be shopping every other 2 days. So I am there making sure he picks the right potatoes and telling him not to put for me the ones that are like cut off, because those ones go bad real quick. He removes them, and then as usual, pack for me and add me something small as your favorite customer. Yeah, let us extend some kindness, please. Anyways, the same thing happens. The reason I want to go in the markets to shop things for myself, as opposed to sitting in the car or sitting home and sending my husband, who absolutely will never step in the market. He will just send someone and say, go and bring me these things on the list, is because I want to make sure the ingredients I'm picking up are fresh. They are good, in good condition. The carrots, when they are broken, they go bad so easily. So I want whole ones, and that is the reason I go and shop myself. However much, if you're not like that free to go out there, you can always have the right shopping list and send people in the big markets. The small markets, first of all, they're expensive, and the things have been there for a while, because they also shop from the big markets. This is some of the dry grocery shops that are inside there. They have a lot of beans, a lot of dry legumes, a lot of cereals, rice. It's more like a shop yeah, but inside a market, so you don't have to go away. We got some long grain basmati, some sunseed oil, and then we're going ahead to get some more carbs. So we're going to be taking some yam, some cassava, because my husband really loves cassava. I do not know why. I have a story and a bad one with cassava. Long time ago, there was some hunger strike in my village, and the only food available was cassava. So from that time, from all that much cassava I took, me and cassava do not see each other in the eye. But of course, I know, of course, you have to cook for those who like them. And the mangoes are the second most expensive things. That's so annoying. Like, why are they expensive? How am I buying 4 mangoes for 10,000? How? But anyways, let's grab some bananas for snacking on, and then go ahead and get our greens. These ones I do not entirely buy from the market. I'm so lucky that where I stay, my landlady has a shop where she sells fresh ones from her garden. So I get to buy from her on a daily basis so that I get fresh ones. But if you're staying very far and you want to buy these ones, you're going to have to look up ways on how you can preserve these, either blanch them or pre-boil them or whatever. Just make sure you have some vegetables in your shopping list. Okay, getting some cabbages and capsicums, more capsicums. The red and yellow ones are really costly. These ones at least 4 for 2,000 or 1,000. And how to check the cabbage if it's full? By tapping on it and making sure it's full. Yeah, simple, easy peasy. Getting some beans, this whole bag was like 1,000. By the way, for my non-Ugandan people, I entered this market with 250,000. That is about 80 or 70 bucks, dollars. This is all we're able to manage to get. And let's go home and make some meals. Okay, it's actually a lot. It's going to take us about 2 to 3 weeks, as opposed to buying things on a daily basis, which in the long run gets more costly. My son, the gentleman of the house, is helping us carry the lighter ones, and then Sharon is going to go ahead and prepare these ones, wash, dry them, and then pack them. Maybe I'll do a video about how I store some of these ones. And anyways, we made lunch. Market days are feast days at mine. We make meals before all the ingredients are like out of their freshness, so we get to taste everything. There's no rice, there's no husband in this house. That's the rule. Some vegetables as usual. I had some fillet in the freezer, so we made some beef in the bowl on top of the food. I filmed that video. I'm also going to share it. I hope it blesses someone. And yeah, anyways, in the market there's a lady, an old lady who's so cute. Oh my god, she really welcomes me every time I pass by, and this is her. She requests to take a picture with me, and of course, whom am I to refuse? I forgot to ask her skincare routine because you're the glow. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching up until this time. If you have any questions to ask about this, if you want to purchase the meal plan, reach out, and I'll see you soon in my next videos. Bye.